Hey guys, I've got another BKS. This is a potty challenge lock, so we've got a modified and an original side. There is the bitting on the key. So very smooth, works very nice there. No hangs, nothing. And also the original side. So what I thought I would do is see if I can't pick both sides, and yeah, just pick both sides. Do it in one video as opposed to sort of stretching it over two. So I don't really get my kit. I don't get my kit out very often, but I just thought I would use a few tension wrenches. Just show you my kit. So I've got various Peterson hooks, reaches, short hooks, number one hooks, gems, thin gems, thinner gems, tension wrenches that I've made 90% of those. Various other hooks then from Peterson. I've got a spare gem and a spare thin gem there. Got a few sparrows, rakes and other sparrows, bits and bobs there. I do use, because this is a Yale type keyway, I usually use a half diamond for that. The Sparrow's half diamond. Well, my Sparrow's half diamond isn't there, but that one is good enough. That is pretty much the same sort of pick. And yeah, so for this side, I've got a few rakes and various sort of trickier sort of to get to locks that I need, various other bits. Oh, in fact, there's my half diamond, but it doesn't matter. And I've got a sort of feeler gauge and stuff. There's various stuff there. So yes, that is the kit that I use on a regular basis. I've got other weird and wonderful stuff tucked away, but that is my go-to. Right, okay, so I'm going to start off with top of the keyway. Nope, not that tension. No, let's try that one. Okay. Focus up and let's go. Okay, a little bit on one. Nice all set, arrived on two. Nice little clip on three. Feel more feedback on three actually. There we go. Don't know what pins are in that. Still on four. Okay, got a bit of feedback there. Okay, that was five. Going to the front. Okay, something dropped. Okay, a bit more on three. A bit of a gatekeeper, I think. A bit on four. There we go. And we got an open. That's a nice little pick, actually. And let's try the modified side. I'm still stuck on his Bergwachter 700 gamma. I think I'm going to have to employ the double tension wrench route, as Michael does in his video with the one that he did. Okay, so there's full set on one. Feedback coming, I think that's actually three, yes. It wasn't under him properly. Keeps slipping off. Okay, nice click on three. There we go, nice full set, came back on one. Feedback at the end there. If I remember rightly on the key, it's quite high though. Try not to overset. Okay. Okay, so that was 4 on 1, full set back on 2. Okay. Oh, nice. Click on 5. Excuse my creaky chair. Big did mention he thought I'd fallen off it yesterday. So apologise. It's a lovely chair. It's really comfortable. It's really good for my. I've got a bad back. But yeah, it makes a bloody god awful noise, for which I do apologise. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's focus that up. Nothing worse than looking down and seeing everything's out of focus. So they're both picked. So I'm going to lock them back up. No, hold on. I can use the pinning shoe. I'll only gut the modified side. So if I use my pinning shoe there. Yeah, that'll work. Ooh, and Michael has kindly put a nice clip on that for me. Thank you, Michael. I saw that trick first from you as well, so you've made my gutting so much easier. So I thoroughly appreciate that as well. Okay, so I'll just drop that there for now. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Have a little look up in the core. I got it on focus. Nope. Come on. So plugs 1 and 2 are serrated. I think everything else is standard. Yep, it looks it. Okay, and the key pins, number 1 is serrated. This is number 2. 3, 4, and 5 are standard. Nice colour there. Right. Okay. Really want one of those pin loaders. They look really good. Damn it. Okay, that is pin 4 that just popped out. Where did he shoot off to? That is the only issue oh, there it is it? Ah, we got a drunken. Oh, I think that was it. Sorry, 4, that was. The only issue I got with these pinning shoes is it's not easy to get the pins out without the lock disassembling itself. Shit. Excuse me, sorry. Done it again. I think that came out of 3. Sorry, excuse my French. Ah. Got another one there and a ball bearing. Michael. Okay. That is number 2. And that is number 1. Oh, they're nice, sort of assery type pins. Right, I need to have a little look in the core. The Bible, sorry. It's a problem when you're deep in concentrations, things come out of your head and you don't think about what you're saying. I don't see any way he's going to get into that actually, and it looks standard in there. So just to show you the first chamber. Yeah, I thought they were just normal spools, but no, they were drunken spools. Okay, and the springs. The springs are all the same as this one here, so I won't dump them all out. So at the top there, we have like an Assery barrel type, lovely pin that. And a serrated, very nice. And then 3, come on, I'll put a light on, put a light above me to try and help the viewing, so it's not working. So yeah, and we've got 3 drunken spools. Number 5 with the ball bearing, and then 2 wafers for the next 2. And then down the bottom, just the key pins there, and little serrations on 1 and 2. Anyway, thank you ever so much, Michael. I'll probably do the other side and just put a picture of it in a minute and just reassemble this one. So I won't bother disassembling that one now on video. But nice one, guys. Thank you ever so much. Potty314, thank you ever so much for the lock. Anyone that's not checked out his stuff, please go and do so. But he knows more of you guys than I do, so you already know how great he is. But that doesn't stop me saying. Anyway, take it easy. Be good.